Everybody, I'm Cole, and in this video I'll be showing y'all how to purr with the Slate call. And just like my other Slate call video, you'll want to scruff it around anywhere. Like, you can scruff it straight, you can go in circles, just make sure that you can go everywhere with it. And just scruff it real good, make sure there's no spots or anything. Then grab your striker. Hold it like you're holding a pencil. Just however you hold pencils, I don't know. And you have it at a 45 or 50, and you just press down, pull it. I'm not the best at it. I mean, I've just been yelping until I just started to learn how to purr. I just thought I'd make a video about it, but I don't know, I'm pretty bad. But when you're purring, you can also, I've done stuff where I've yelped, purred, done the peck, and then I've rubbed on the leaves with my hand to make it sound like a hen is just scratching around. But that's just me. You can just yelp. Like, all you really need to do is yelp. You don't have to do the purr or peck or nothing. Just learn how to yelp. That's all you gotta do. And then after you yelp and you're good at that, you can go on to purring and then the peck. Well, I'll show you all the peck now, I guess. You keep it flat. Then you just drag it until it makes a sound and pick it up. That's how you do peck. But that's going to wrap it up for this video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.